Welcome back to another video, guys, and I've got an absolutely amazing vehicle for you today. Yes, it's a Ford Probe 1995 V6 24 valve. Okay, an amazing classic car, 1995. For its age, it is absolutely pristine condition inside and out. The engine bay, you can eat your dinner off it. Okay, it is amazing. All right, and we've got it in to do the full Max Power style body kit. This owner doesn't give a damn about what you and I think. He's going the old school, and that's what I like about him. You want to be more like him. Okay, modify a car for yourself. Okay, don't be scared of what others think. Stand up for your right. Yes, right, this guy's going for the fiberglass body kit, the full exhaust system, window tints, and a respray. Okay, including the lights. We're going to be tinting the lights front and back, and it's going to look absolutely amazing. This is a part one of 3 parts, so this is going to be just a start, give you an intro into the car, and then we'll give you the process and then reveal the end product. Sit back, relax, watch the video, let us know what you think, get involved, and let us know what you think.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the